In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Talkie AI account. By the end, you'll be confidently signed in and ready to go, using a quick and secure method that works on both desktop and mobile. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Talkie AI and press Enter. In the results, look for the official site with the domain talkieai.com. This is important for security. Always make sure you're on the legitimate website before signing in. Once you see it, click through to the homepage. On the Talkie AI homepage, find the Sign In option, located toward the lower left corner of the screen. Depending on your screen size or device, it might appear slightly differently, but it will be labeled Sign In. Go ahead and click it. You'll now see several sign-in options. Talkie AI supports signing in with Google, Apple, or TikTok. This video will use Continue with Google, since it's fast and commonly used. The idea here is simple. You're using your existing Google account to authenticate, so you don't have to create or remember a separate password for Talkie AI. Click Continue with Google. If you're already signed in to Google in this browser, you might be logged into Talkie AI automatically without any extra steps. If it's your first time, or if you're not currently signed in to Google, you'll see a Google account chooser. Select the Google account you want to use and follow any prompts. If you have two-factor authentication turned on, complete that as usual. After you confirm, you'll be redirected back to Talkie AI, and your account will be logged in. A couple of quick tips if something doesn't look right. If the Google window doesn't open, check your browser's pop-up settings and allow pop-ups for this sign-in. If you selected the wrong account, look for a Switch Account option or sign out from the profile area and try again. If the page seems stuck, refresh the page or try a private window to avoid old cookies interfering. And always double-check the domain bar to confirm you're on talkieai.com before entering any credentials or approving access. If you prefer Apple or TikTok, the process is similar. Choose the provider, approve sign-in, and you'll land back on Talkie AI. You can always return to the sign-in page to pick a different method later.